Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So, still far, we had seen part 1, part 2. In part 2, we had studied about the topics of revolutionary movement in Bengal, India House, Gadar movement. Now, today we are going to study on page number 47 the remaining part of our chapter. The name of the topic is Kakori conspiracy. Now, Kakori is a railway station in Uttar Pradesh. Here, conspiracy means a secret plan by group of people to do something bad or illegal. In Hindi, it is known as sajish. Okay, so let us study about the Kakori conspiracy. The suppressive measure of government could not put an end to the revolutionary movement. Now, the government had put many measures to put end the revolutionary movement. After the suspension of civil disobedience movement by Mahatma Gandhi, many youngsters got diverted to the revolutionary way. As we had seen that Mahatma Gandhi has started civil disobedience movement, but it did not work. So many youngsters were diverted and they started using the non-violence movement. Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee, Sachindranath Sainial and such other revolutionary came together. This all people they came together to make a revolutionary movement. Okay. On 9th August 1925, they looted the government treasury that was carried in train near Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. On 9th August 1925, these people they had looted the government treasure. Government treasure means the amount or the money what was to be given to government. These people had looted that train at Kakori railway station in Uttar Pradesh. So let's see what happened next. And this incident is known as Kakori conspiracy. By taking immediate action, the government arrested the revolutionary and put them into the prison. The person who had looted the train, government taken a immediate action and they had arrested all the revolutionary and put them into the jail. They were put under trial and they were put under the trial in the jail. Ashfaqullah Khan, Ramprasad Bismil, Rohan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri were hanged. These people were hanged to death. But Chandrasekhar Azad managed to escape. But Chandrasekhar Azad, he was escaped from the jail. Okay, so he had not got the punishment. So the remaining 4 people had became what? Martyrs. And you can see on the screen the picture of Ashfaqullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil and Thakur Roshan Singh. And the picture of Rajendra Lahiri is not over there, so they became martyrs. Let us start with the next topic, that is Hindustan Socialist Republican Association on page number 48. The young man, influenced by socialist ideas, decided to set up a nationwide revolutionary organization. Now this all young men, they had influenced all the socialist ideas and they had made a national-wide revolutionary organization. Prominent among them were Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Now the main leaders were these 4 persons. Okay, all these revolutionary were secure in their thoughts and all this revolutionary, what were the plans they had kept in their thoughts. In 1928, in the meeting held at Firoz Shah Kotla ground in Delhi, this young man established the organization called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Now in 1928 there was meeting held in Delhi on the ground Feroz Shah Kotla. Okay, and they had started this organization as named as Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The objective behind the establishment of this organization was to free India from the British exploitation. And what was the main goal behind this organization? To free India from the British exploitation. It also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system which exploited the farmers and workers. Now this organization also wanted to overthrow the unjust social economic system which was exploited the farmers also and the workers. Bhagat Singh gave importance to the creation of a society based on social justice and equality. Now Bhagat Singh had given more importance to what? Society based on social justice and equality. The work of gathering arms and execution of program was entrusted to a separate wing of the organization. Now as the organization was revolutionary organization, to get arms and to make the programs, that was given to the another organization, that is a separate wing of organization. The wing was called as Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and that wing or that group was known as what? Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and Chandrasekhar was the chief of this wing. Chandrasekhar Azad was the main leader of this wing. Okay. Members of this organization carried out many revolutionary activities. Now members who were in this organization, they had carried out many different types of revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru fired bullet and killed an officer named Saunders in order to avenge the death of Lala Rajpat Rai. Now these two leaders, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru, they had what? They had fired a bullet to kill one of the officer, and what was his name? That his name was Sonder. And why they had done this? To take revenge for the death of Lala Rajpat Rai. The government had introduced two bills in Central Legislative Assembly curtaining civil rights. Now the government had introduced the two new bills in Central Legislature, and what was there in that bill? For curtailing civil rights. To protest it, Bhagat Singh and Butkeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. Now, they don't want to follow this civil rights. So, what they did, Bhagat Singh and Butkeshwar Dutt, they had thrown a bomb where the meeting was going on in Central Legislative Assembly. The British government immediately raided the centers of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. Now, what did British government do? As they had threw the bomb, they raided the centers of Hindustan Republican Army. Further, what happened next? Through it, the police also obtained clues related to the killing of Saunders. Now, because of this throwing the bomb into a central legislature, the police got an idea, they got a clue related of killing the officer Saunders. The government started arresting the revolutionary. They were tried under the charge of sedition. Now, the government also started arresting all the revolutionary, and they were tried under the charge of sedition. Means they were kept under in the police station for sedition. Sedition means as a doubt. Okay. On 23rd March 1931, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged in Lahore jail. On March 23rd, 1931, these three leaders were hanged in Lahore jail. And who were they? They were Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Okay. But till the end, Chandrasekhar Azad did not fall into the hands of the police. Till the last moment also, Chandrasekhar Azad did not fall in the hands of the police. He was escaped from there. Okay. Later he died in an encounter with police at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Now this Chandrasekhar Azad, he was encountered by the police where? At the Alfred Park in Allahabad. Okay. So I hope you have understood this topic also, that is Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Now you can see the picture about this. This was a revolutionary group. Okay. So let us start with our next topic on page number 48, that is attack on Chittagong Armory. Let us start. Surya Sen was the chief of the revolutionary group at Chittagong in Bengal. Now Surya Sen, he was the main leader of revolutionary group where in Bengal. Okay. He had gathered around him revolutionaries like Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Preeti Lata Vadedar. Now this was all his revolutionary named as Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta and Preeti Lata Vadedar. With their assistance, Surya Sen drew up a plan to attack the armory at Chittagong. Now, with the help of this all, they had drawn a plan to attack our armory at Chittagong. As per the plan, on 18th April 1930, the revolutionaries seized the arms from the two armories in Chittagong. Now, they had drawn a plan, and on April 18, 1930, this revolutionary, they had seized the arms. They had taken the arms from the two armories in Chittagong. The telephone and telegraph lines were broken and they succeeded in paralyzing the communication system. Before seizing this armory, what they had done, they had cut down the all lines of telegraph and telephone, and after cutting that, there was communication gap. So they had raided this armory in Chittagong. After they gave a thrilling fight to the British army. After completing after paralyzing the telephone and telegraph line, all communication was stopped. So after that, they had given a thrilling fight to whom? To the British army. Here on the screen you can see a picture. This picture is of Surya Sen, and he was the chief of the revolutionary group at Chittagong in Bengal. Okay. So now let us start with the another part of this. On 16 February 1933, Surya Sen and some of his associates were captured by the police. Now on February 16, in the year 1933, Surya Sen and some of its friends were captured. They were caught by the police. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death punishment. Now Surya Sen also and his 12 friends also, they were given death punishment. Okay. Kalpana Datta was sentenced to life imprisonment. Now this lady, she was put into this jail for life, for full life. Prithilata Vadedar killed herself without falling into the hands of the police. Now this another lady, Prithilata Vadedar, what she did, she killed herself and she did not fall in the hands of the police. Due to the uprising in Chittagong, the revolutionary movement gained pace. Now as this was uprising of Chittagong in the revolutionary, and it gained what? It gained pace. Pace means many popularity. Okay. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, these two schoolgirls, killed the district judge, whereas young girl Beena Das shot dead the governor during the convocation ceremony of Calcutta University. Now Shanti Ghosh and Sunita Chaudhary, they were also revolutionary. They were school going girl. What they did, they killed the district judge. Why they were killing this? Because all rules, all the officers were related to British. Okay. And there was a young girl named as Beena Das. What she did, she shot dead the governor, okay, during the convocation ceremony of Kolkata University. Now when there was a convocation ceremony in Kolkata University, at that time he had killed the governor. Convocation ceremony, what do you mean by convocation? After completing the degree, the university give the certificate. As you must have seen the movie, the students wearing black cap and wearing a black coat, and they go to university where the head gives the certificate in the hand. You might be had seen in the movie. So that ceremony is known as convocation ceremony. I hope you have understood the last line of this paragraph. So let us start with the next paragraph for this chapter. That will be the last paragraph of the sentence. Chapter. Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer, the officer responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre in London in 1940. Now in London 1940, there was a Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and who was the officer responsible for that? That was Dyer, the officer Dyer, and Sardar Udham Singh, he has killed this officer. In the freedom struggle of India, revolutionary movement made an important contribution. Now in the freedom struggle of India, this revolutionary movement had made an important contribution. This revolutionary displayed daring and determination while fighting against the British rule. Now this all revolutionary, they had displayed their daring also and their keen determination while fighting against the British rule. The love for the nation and attitude of sacrifice was just incomparable. Now the love for the nation, for their country, and the attitude to sacrifice their life, that was what? Incomparable. Their sacrifice proved to be an inspiration to the Indians. Now they had sacrificed their life, and after giving the sacrifice of life, they had proved that they are the real Indian of the country, and it was a good inspiration for all the Indians. Okay, I hope you all have understood this lesson. So as I had given already the question answers in last week, so you have completed with that. If you have not completed, try to complete it soon. And thank you. Have a nice day. Next video we will start with a new lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.